In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Smartsheet and SharePoint for your team. If you're trying to decide which platform is the better fit, the most important thing to understand is that these tools are built for different primary purposes. While there can be some overlap, each one shines in a specific area, and choosing the right one becomes much easier once you focus on what your team actually needs most. Start by looking at your main goal. If you need project tracking, dashboards, reporting, and automation for ongoing work, Smartsheet is usually the better choice. It's designed to help teams manage tasks, timelines, responsibilities, and progress in a very structured way. This makes it especially useful when you're coordinating projects, tracking tracking deadlines, or managing execution across multiple people or departments. On the other hand, if your main need is document storage, internal company pages, or Microsoft based file sharing, then SharePoint is often the stronger option. SharePoint works very well as a central place to organize files, create intranet pages, and support internal communication. If your team needs a reliable home for documents and internal resources, this is where SharePoint stands out. It's also important to compare how each platform handles collaboration. Smartsheet supports collaboration around work itself, meaning tasks, project updates, status tracking, and workflow movement. SharePoint supports collaboration more around documents, shared content, and internal information access. So when you think about collaboration, ask yourself whether your team mainly collaborates around project execution or around files and shared knowledge. Another useful thing to check is whether your team already uses Microsoft 365. If they do, SharePoint may feel like a more natural fit because it connects closely with the Microsoft ecosystem. That can make adoption easier and help your team work more smoothly with the tools they already know. If Microsoft 365 is already central to your workflow, that should definitely be part of your decision. As a practical rule, use SharePoint for file management and internal sites. Use Smartsheet for work tracking and project execution. Keeping that distinction in mind can save a lot of confusion and help you avoid picking a platform that solves the wrong problem. At the end of the day, the best choice is the one that matches your main purpose. If your priority is managing documents and internal content, go with SharePoint. If your priority is tracking work and moving projects forward, choose Smartsheet. When you align the tool with the actual job you need it to do, the decision becomes much clearer.